Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a lumber store and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you certainly are in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Marty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the platform yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update presence on the web for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, give it a go. No credit card details needed. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, lumber store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all that content for you just to make it as easy as possible. It's strictly a guideline. You can change it if you want to. And we've also pre-selected all the images used throughout your website as well, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written. You can absolutely do that. It's not complicated. You can do it yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. There's no website coding needed at all. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You don't have to have website skills whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make those changes on your website. Let's click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and put in our email address. We want to make sure that email address is displayed on our website. So we're going to go ahead and tick that box directly underneath it to show email and site. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Great for your customers wanting to reach out to you. Let's pop that physical location in, the street address. When your customers click on this address, when your website is live, of course, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Under update social links, you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. You can change them. You don't need to know color coding at all. It's super simple. Click on the little paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available for you to choose from. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to go ahead and update my logo just to make my website look even more professional. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has now been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, frames, click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save and you can make it bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here you can browse your device or search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Under update content, you can change the content to suit your business needs. Button currently says get directions. You can change the text on that as well as link the buttons to various places like uploading a PDF file. Otherwise, an action like click to call, directions, click to email, and you can even link to another website if you need to. In the last section is where you can put in your trading hours for your business. Go ahead and click on update section. Head on over to update hours, and over here you can put in your various trading hours so your customers know exactly when you're open. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on this button over here so you can connect it. Otherwise, go ahead and purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy by clicking on I want a new domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.